The Ankh, or the circle surmounting the Tau cross, is a central figure of the Theosophical seal at the heart of its message. This symbol expresses the purpose of life and the assurance of the ultimate victory of life over death. The Ankh, or the crux ansata, is an Egyptian symbol representing the relationship of the external universe to the very source of its being. Before we study the Tau cross, let us ask a basic question. What can be the source and reality behind the physical universe? Science answers evolution, religion answers creation. Somewhere between these two answers, perhaps embodying something of each, lies the truth. The foremost minds today accept as truth the idea that matter and energy have a common origin. They are the positive and negative poles of a single, though unknown substance. They see a dual process taking place: energy or force solidifying and becoming matter, and matter in turn being converted into energy. The most logical step now would be the discovery that the whole universe as we see it is a condensation of a substance so rare that it must be recognized as a pure spirit, and also as a rarer medium which is endowed with form creating and life giving power. The ancient scriptures state that the entire creation began with a point, the sign of God as absolute potential being. The point expanded and became a circle, the sign of infinity and eternity. It is that which is all inclusive and all pervading spirit. In the stanzas of Dhyan, it was quoted as naught, which was alone the one form of existence, stretched boundless, infinite, causeless, in a dreamless sleep. Naught is a circle of infinity, within which all that is to be exists potentially. It is that point where manifestation has not come into being. Symbolically, night is synonymous with the night of Genesis. Breath is the indication of potential motion, or the sound and the first act of creation. This breath is not at vibration, but the source of vibration. It is the word which was in the beginning. There was then a vibration that thrilled through the infinitude, swept along, touching with its swift wing the whole universe, and the germ that dwelled in darkness, that breathes over the slumbering waters. The germ is the seed of Genesis, the divine idea, which was implanted in this primordial seed, this virgin substance called by the ancients as Moola Prakriti. In philosophical sense, we interpret Mary as the universal mother of all living forms, beautifully dramatized in many religions as Virgin Mother. She is the virgin matter, the eternal parent, symbolically expressed by the horizontal line of the cross. This line is a point in motion, forming the material aspect of being. And then the time has come to awaken the slumbering virgin from sleep with that which the philosophers call energy or the life principle. There was a second vibration that filled through the universe. The spirit or breath of God moved upon the face of waters. This movement or descent into matter has been referred to as the eternal sacrifice of God, whereby a life and form came into being. Thus the vertical line cutting across the horizontal line forms the cross of sacrifice, whereby all things became truly sacred. Therefore, these three signs put together, that is the point which expanded to become a circle of infinity, and then the horizontal line which forms the basis of creation, and then the vertical line cutting across the horizontal line which signifies the descent of spirit into matter, forms the most mystic of all the symbols, the ancient and sacred Ankh.